Discovering the pulse of money and trends. Hello everyone and welcome to Money and Trend Insights. Today, we're going to be discussing AI in the travel industry and how you can use it to get the best deals on your next flight. With the integration of AI into the travel industry, it's now easier than ever to find a cheap flight, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and examples on how to make the most of it. Understanding AI in the travel industry. Artificial intelligence has had a major impact on the travel industry, making the process of booking a flight much easier and more efficient. Airlines are using AI algorithms to determine the price of a ticket based on various factors such as demand, competition, and even weather conditions. This means that prices can change in real time, so it's important to stay on top of them if you want to get the best deal. Finding cheap flights using AI. There are several ways to use AI to find the best deals on flights. One of the easiest is to use an AI-powered search engine like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Hopper. These tools use historical data and real-time pricing to predict the best time to book a flight and can also provide alerts when prices change, so you'll always be in the know. Another way to use AI is through chatbots. Many airlines, such as KLM, now have chatbots that can help you find the best deals, check flight status, and even change your booking. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in the travel industry and can be a great resource for finding the best deals and answering any questions you have about your flight. Personal experience with AI. I've had great success using AI to book my flights in the past. For instance, I recently used Google Flights to book a trip to Amsterdam and was able to save over $200 compared to the prices I found on other websites. The tool showed me the cheapest days to fly and even provided a price prediction, which gave me the confidence to book the flight knowing I was getting the best deal. Tips for using AI to find cheap flights. Here are some tips to help you make the most of AI when booking your next flight. A. Be flexible with your travel dates. AI algorithms can predict when prices are likely to rise or fall, so being flexible with your travel dates can help you save money. Consider traveling on weekdays instead of weekends, or being open to traveling during off-peak season. B. Set price alerts. Many AI-powered search engines allow you to set price alerts, so you can be notified when prices change. This will help you stay on top of the best deals and make sure you're getting the best value for your money. C. Compare prices from different airlines. AI search engines can help you compare prices from different airlines, so you can be sure you're getting the best deal. Don't just book the first flight you find, take the time to compare prices from multiple airlines to find the best deal. D. Use chatbots. As mentioned earlier, chatbots can be a great resource for finding the best deals and answering any questions you have about your flight. Don't be afraid to use them. Future of AI in the travel industry. The future of AI in the travel industry looks bright. Airlines and travel companies are constantly exploring new ways to use AI to make the travel experience even better for customers. In the future, AI may be able to provide personalized recommendations based on your travel history and preferences, making it even easier to find the best deals and plan the perfect trip. Additionally, AI is expected to play a big role in streamlining the airport experience, making it easier to check in, go through security, and board your flight. Another exciting development in the future of AI in the travel industry is the integration of virtual and augmented reality technology. This will allow travelers to explore their destination before they even leave the house, providing a more immersive and interactive experience. So, there you have it, folks. The future of AI in the travel industry is exciting and there are many ways to use it to find the best deals on your next flight. Whether you're using an AI-powered search engine, setting price alerts, or chatting with a travel bot, the possibilities are endless. I hope this video has been helpful and given you some actionable tips on how to make the most of AI when booking your next flight. Thank you for watching Money and Trend Insights, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay ahead of the game with every subscribe.